Hi everyone. In the given problem statement, we have to group anagrams. Given an array of string, group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. So let us take example of EAT. So if I sort the values right, then AET. So it will be AET. Now I can create a dictionary. So dictex, which is going to have AET, and I am going to create an array along with a dictionary which is going to have the value of EAT for now. Then we are going to this one. The value would be AET if I sort it down. AET already is present in dictionary, so we are going to add that value T out here. Now TAN. So if I sort it down, the value would be ANT. So ANT, I am going to initialize a list along with this dictionary keyword and going to add the value of tan out here. Then ATE, if I sort it down, the value would be AET. So I can add it because it's already present. So ATE will be getting added to the dictionary. Then we have NAT. So if I sort it down, ANT. So NAT will get added out here because the value is already present in the dictionary. Then at last we are going to have the value of BAT. So if I look into it, if I sort it down, the value would be ABT. So ABT and initialize with a list with the value of BAT. And my job is done. And I can close the dictionary. What I need to do on the next side is that I'm just going to print the values that are present in the dictionary. So if I look into it, BAT, NAT and TAN, and EAT, T and it. And it's been written right, we can return the answer in any order. So ordering of it does not matter. And if you're storing it in a dictionary, anywhere the ordering would not be happening. So now let us jump to the Python solution. So the first thing that we're going to do, we are going to initialize a dictionary. Then we are going to loop through the entire character. So for each in strs. And now you are going to assign a temporary variable where we are going to sort our character that we are getting. So join sorted each, because it's an element, right? So we need to sort it out and join it using that sorted function. Now if temp not in dictex, then dictex of temp is going to be each. So we are initializing the list, else we are just going to append that value to that current dictionary. So temp dot append each. Now we are just simply going to return list of dictex dot values. That's all we need to do. It's a very easy problem statement, even though it shows as a medium. Maybe thinking about it would take some time. So if I run the public test cases passed properly, now if I click on submit, so all the private test cases got successfully submitted, and it's pretty efficient, just getting executed in 11 milliseconds. So that's all. And if I look into the time complexity of it, right, it will be big O of n because they're looping through the loop and only one time. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.